Let me welcome you here in my YouTube channel, my Tech Toolbox. Good day. I'm glad that you find it here, and I hope that you're just fine as well.
Hi there. Popular request from this channel's viewers is a copy of a chart on the types of maintenance. This chart is a good reference for maintenance managers, supervisors, planners, and implementation teams. Today, we presented to this chart two with brief definitions that can add to your know-how for effective maintenance implementation. Before we discuss the different maintenance strategies, let us revisit the types of maintenance that may be opted to be applied on particular assets. It is very important also to know specific kinds of maintenance to be effective in selecting the types that will effectively address and prevent machines' failure. There are basically two main types of maintenance: a reactive maintenance and a proactive maintenance. Reactive maintenance is where repairs or replacements are performed only after equipment has failed or broken down. It's a fix-it-when-it-breaks approach, where maintenance is only triggered by a problem or issue that has already occurred. And proactive maintenance, on the other hand, is focused on preventing equipment failures and breakdowns before those happen. It involves identifying potential problems, addressing their root causes, and implementing preventative measures to extend a lifespan of equipment and reduce unplanned downtime. Reactive maintenance have three kinds. An emergency maintenance, which is urgent, unplanned work performed in response to unexpected equipment failures or breakdowns that pose an immediate risk to safety, operations, or property. A breakdown maintenance, also known as reactive or corrective maintenance, involves repairs and maintenance performed after equipment has failed. An opportunistic maintenance, which is a maintenance strategy where maintenance tasks are performed on equipment or components when an opportunity arises, often during a planned or unplanned shutdown of a system. Proactive maintenance have four different kinds: a preventive maintenance, a corrective maintenance, a predictive maintenance, and an improvement maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a proactive approach to maintaining equipment and assets through regular inspections, servicing, and repairs, with a goal of preventing unexpected breakdowns and minimizing downtime. It involves scheduling maintenance tasks based on time or usage to keep assets in optimal working condition. A preventive maintenance is subdivided into four different kinds according to a nature of its activities. A running maintenance, which includes those maintenance activities that are carried out while a machine or equipment is running, and I represent those activities that are performed before actual preventive maintenance activities take place, for example, inspection and performance analysis. A routine maintenance, which includes those maintenance activities that are repetitive and periodic in nature, such as lubrication, cleaning, and small adjustment. A window maintenance, which is a set of activities that are carried out when an equipment is not required for a definite period of time. A shutdown preventive maintenance, which is a set of preventive maintenance activities that are carried out when a production line is in total stoppage situation. Corrective maintenance, also known as reactive or breakdown maintenance, is a process of repairing or restoring equipment to its proper working condition after a failure or malfunction has occurred. It's a reactive approach, addressing issues as they arise, rather than being proactive like preventive maintenance. Corrective maintenance, CM, is composed of three subtypes. A remedial maintenance, which is a set of corrective maintenance activities that are performed to eliminate a source of failure without interrupting a continuity of a production process. A way to carry out remedial maintenance is by taking an item, to be corrected, out of a production line and replacing it with reconditioned item or transferring its workload to its redundancy. A deferred maintenance, which is a set of corrective maintenance activities that are not immediately initiated after an occurrence of a failure, but are delayed in such a way that will not affect the production process. A shutdown corrective maintenance, which is a set of corrective maintenance activities that are performed when a production line is in total stoppage situation. Improvement maintenance's aim is identifying and implementing improvement action on equipment and service. It is an approach based on downtimes analysis to raise up equipment's performance, such as reliability, maintainability, availability, and safety. Improvement maintenance, IM, is subdivided into three types: engineering services, which include construction and construction modification, removal and installation, and rearrangement of facilities. Design-out maintenance, which is a set of activities that are used to eliminate a cause of maintenance, simplify maintenance tasks, or raise machine performance. From a maintenance point of view, by redesigning those machines and facilities which are vulnerable to frequent occurrence of failure, an long-term repair or replacement cost is very expensive. Shutdown improvement maintenance, which is a set of improvement maintenance activities that are performed while a production line is in a complete stoppage situation. These are the different maintenance types which will be used singularly or collectively when formulating and undertaking maintenance on facilities or assets. A predictive maintenance, PDM, is classified into two kinds according to a method of detecting signs of failure. A condition-based predictive maintenance. Condition-based predictive maintenance depends on continuous or periodic condition monitoring equipment to detect signs of failure. Two methods of condition-based monitoring. A subjective, which is using human census, and an objective, which is using monitoring and measuring equipment or gadgets. A statistical-based predictive maintenance depends on statistical data from a meticulous recording of stoppages of an in-plan items and components in order to develop models for predicting failures. These are the types of maintenance that will be called upon individually or collectively by a maintenance strategy. Taking notes on their differences is important during the selection process because it can be a factor for ineffectiveness of a particular maintenance strategy. We have just presented and shared with you the chart of types of maintenance. We hope that this could be of help in the implementation of your company's facility and equipment maintenance program. Momentarily, we are inviting you to watch our learning video on how to create and formulate an effective maintenance strategy. Thank you.
Before leaving, may I thank you for the time you invested here. Should you still have questions and clarifications to ask, write it in the comment below or email me at mytechtoolbox@gmail.com. If you have learned something that are useful, please give us a like. That's one way to support our channel. You may also want to share this video for your friends to learn. Subscribe now so you will be notified on every new learning videos we post on YouTube. Thank you and good luck.